कि यार मुझे ये बिजनेस में ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कैसे करनी है.
That how to maintain a relation with a 40 or 50-year-old person when you are just 18 or 20 years old.
Because there are days when you just burst out in tears that ये करना है नहीं करना है, हो पा रहा है नहीं हो पा रहा है.
That's the joy of always having co-founders.
I've seen him growing from like very basic things to, apart from this, I use a lot of AI. I have started reading a lot of startup books and YouTube.
After a certain time आप लोग ये पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो.
We have been each other's mentors and like the support system throughout the journey.
Trust me, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be lonely. आप लोगों को अपनी पर्सनल एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को आपने पैशनेटली सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की, which translated into a business. But there are maybe tens of things which you don't know, which you learn. How do you learn new things? How do you cope up with new things, new technologies? Even forget about the technology. कि यार मुझे ये business में ये problem solve कैसे करनी है? Who are your mentor?
So first mentor obviously is family only, because like you learn a lot from your parents. Like my dad is very hardworking. I've seen him growing from like very basic things to something very rich and posh, I'll say. So how was that? It was nothing that it's like his father gave him, or it was just destiny which happened, but it was hard work. So you learn a lot from there. Apart from this, I use a lot of AI, because actually any problem that you have, even about HSNs, which is like a very common thing, about the legalities or anything, so I use AI. Then third is that I have started reading a lot of startup books and YouTube. Like you actually learn a lot from these places, so that's what I do.
What about you?
So again, as she mentioned, parents are the first mentors. My dad, like I saw him like doing the sales, talking to people, conversating, making good relations, the PR part. So that's what I understood, that how to maintain a relation with a 40 or 50-year-old person when you are just 18 or 20 years old.
Yeah.
So that is something which helped us going forward. Then yeah, like not any specific mentor, I would say. We have been each other's mentors and like the support system throughout the journey. And yes, when we meet new people, new entrepreneurs or like big founders of companies wherein we are working with them, so we have learned from them a lot.
Because there are days when you just burst out in tears that ये करना है नहीं करना है, हो पा रहा है नहीं हो पा रहा है. तो obviously एक दूसरे तो होते हैं हम.
Yeah. No, that's the joy of always having co-founders.
Right.
Because ultimately, and as you scale, trust me, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be lonely.
Right.
Because what you go through, not many will understand that.
Right.
But you, after a certain time, आप लोग ये पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं कर रहे होगे.
Correct.
वो तो हाँ, after a certain time, it's for the impact, for the work which you want to do. So yes, you are very right, and that's why I always tell, let's say, young entrepreneurs that it's okay to have an entrepreneur, co-founder. It's okay to go out in your network, अपने friends, दोस्तों, रिश्तेदारों में, घर में ढूंढो कोई ना कोई co-founder.
It depends that trust should be there.
Obviously.
In terms of monetary sense also, because मुझे एक भी दिन जब से हम बिजनेस कर रहे, याद नहीं कभी हमने पैसों के लिए या फिर उस बिजनेस के रेवेन्यू के लिए या किसने कोई विड्रॉल कोई आज तक याद ही नहीं है किसी को, बिकॉज दैट थिंग हैज नेवर हैपेंड एंड नन ऑफ अस एवर विड्रॉल any amount from the company also for any personal usage or like doing any fun or in that way. That was always for the company, that it's our company and we have to make that baby big.
अगर ये सेगमेंट पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड प्रेस करो आई बटन टू वॉच द फुल एपिसोड गाइस. एंड ऑल्सो टू एक्सप्लोर मोर वीडियोस लाइक दिस. इफ यू आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट स्टूडेंट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, प्लीज स्प्रेड द वर्ड. Campus to CEO. Thank you.